All right, now we're on to our first example of finding the value of functions via graphs. So we're looking at this lovely function here given by this blue arrow line on this x and y chart here. So we have a bunch of x values that are determined by the x-axis. The outputs of our function are determined by the y-axis, or y values. Okay, so the first thing we're asked to do here is find f of 1, which is what is the y value when I plug in x is equal to 1. So if I look here on my graph, I go from 1 as my x value. See where I hit the graph. What is the height of that point? Roughly, it is 1. So y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 1. Okay? Just basic using graphs as we've done in high school before. Okay? So f of 1 is 1. Since this is a function, you're only going to have one output, one y value corresponding to that input. Now how about f of 6? When I plug in 6, what's going to come out? So I go over to here to x is equal to 6, go all the way up to see what y value I hit. It looks like I'm hitting y is equal to 6 as well. So just draw the dashed line over to the y-axis, and that'll give you some guidance as to what the y value would be. So I plug in 6, I got y is equal to 6. So I rate 6. Okay? How about f of 0? Now I go to 0 on my x-axis, which is here at the origin, and what is the corresponding y value? There's no height, so the y value is 0. So we're at the exact origin, 0, 0, that point on the where the x and y axis meet. All right, so we've successfully found f of 1, f of 6, and f of 0 just by using the graph. It's literally just go over where your x value is, figure out what the y value is. That's all you need to do for these. All right. So with that, we are done with this first example. We're going to move on to more complicated graphs in the rest of this video series. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next example.